Changing batteries in the moment of triumph? Anyway, it worked. It's not perfect, but perfect is boring. Like I promised to buy, I'm going to sand this. The keen eyes that I usually wish I had, you noticed that I cut off something here. So, along those lines. The reason for that is grain. Well, I tried to be smart and tried to attach the bottom and top using finger joints. Here. Maybe you can imagine what happened when I put them to the router. The first one went okay, and the second one took out this finger, and the third one, and well, then I stopped. Cut my losses with this, and by that I have these strips. I cut one in two, and these I'm going to use now to complete the bottom and top. I took it apart, marked some things, took it to the bandsaw, and well, that's how it is. You have the problem. We have the solution. you've got something to fix or the need to build something, with this unique offer you will get one angle gauge. It can do any angle you want and it's really flexible, which means it can't be locked. If you're more into fixed positions, you get this right angle. Can't go wrong with this one. Just so you don't have to cut corners, there's a handsaw. Now if you want to take it a step further, you get not one, but two chisels. To drive the point home, use this mallet. To make sure where you're going with this, there's a measuring stick. It's got arbitrary lines on two sides. And to keep all that, you get a toolbox. For the mallet, the measuring stick, the right angle, the handsaw, the angle gauge, and the not one but two chisels. And if it wasn't plain enough that this is a great offer, we'd throw in a plane. So all that's left to do is just grab it and go make something. So what you just saw is my 2x4 project. This neat little tool test. I think it worked out okay as expected, and I did paint it in vibrant colors because it's supposed to be a toy, and this way I could get away with less than perfect surface finish. I don't know whether it can stand the abuse of kids for any extended amount of time, but that'll be something to find out. So after all this hard and tedious work, I would like to thank everyone involved. Of course, Samus Woodworking for making this contest, and all the sponsors for making it possible, and all the other contestants to make it fun to watch and to trash talk. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Dominik's Woodworks. Please comment, like and subscribe. To keep up to date, check out my blog at dominikswoodworks.com and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Google+, Instagram and Kik. All the links in the description. Which What not to do with glue?